Hi friends, welcome to my Windows 10 Explore channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to delay or postpone Windows 10 feature updates and quality updates. Feature updates means is the latest version of Windows 10. This is released twice in a year. These are also called semi-annual release. And for the quality updates, these are also called security patches. These are released every month. So we can postpone the Windows 10 feature updates and also quality updates using two methods. First method is using group policy. So I'm going to open the start menu and I'm going to type group. Here you can see this is the edit group policy. I'm going to open it, and in the group policy editor I'm going to select computer configuration. Now I'm going to expand administrative templates. In the administrative templates I'm going to choose Windows components, and in the Windows components I'm going to choose Windows update, and in the Windows update I'm going to select Windows update for business. On the right side you can see there are two settings. First one is select when preview builds and feature updates are received, and select when quality updates are received. Now I'm going to change these two settings to stop or postpone the updates in your PC. So I'm going to double click on the first one. In the new dialog box I'm going to select the enable radio button, and in this drop down menu I'm going to select semi-annual channel, and I can choose 365 days for feature update. So my system won't update to the latest version of OS until the next year. I'm going to click apply and click OK. Now I'm going to select the second setting, that is select when quality updates are received. Now I'm going to do the same thing. Now I'm going to click this enable radio button, and I'm going to give the value 30, but we cannot give more than 30 days. Here you can see you can defer receiving quality updates for up to 30 days. These are the security updates. Now I'm going to apply and OK. So with this group policy editor I stopped the feature updates for 1 year and quality updates for the 1 whole month. For the second method I'm going to use Windows Registry Editor to postpone the Windows 10 feature updates, but make sure to back up your Windows Registry Editor for any security purpose. So I'm going to open the Registry Editor by pressing the start button and typing Registry Editor. Here I'm going to open it, and in the Windows Registry Editor I'm going to expand HKey local machine and software and policies and Microsoft and Windows. In here some people may notice there is the key, that is Windows Update. If you're not seen Windows Update key, you have to create a new key under Windows. So I'm going to right click on here and select new key. The name of the key is Windows Update. So select the Windows Update key, and in the right side I'm going to create a number of dword values to stop the feature updates and quality updates. First of all I'm going to use the feature updates, so I'm going to right click on here, select new dword value. The name of the dword value is defer feature updates. Now I'm going to double click on here and give the value data to 1. This will enable the this will disable the feature updates. Click OK. Now I'm going to create another dword for this. I'm going to select new dword. The name of the dword is branch readiness level. Now I'm going to double click on here and I'm going to give the value data to 16 and leave the hexadecimal as a base. And I'm going to create another dword, as this new dword. The name of the dword is defer feature updates period in days. This is the number of days for stopping the feature updates. Now I'm going to double click on here and change the base value to decimal and give the value data to 365 as a days. Click OK. This will stop the feature updates until 365 days. Now we are going to stop the quality updates using another two dword values. So I'm going to right click on here, create new dword. The name of the dword is defer quality updates, and they give the value. And next, last and final one, the new dword value. The name of the dword value is defer quality updates period in days. The number of days for the quality updates to stop. I'm going to give the value to 30 and change the base to decimal. Click OK. So these reward values in the registrar stop the feature updates until 65 days and security updates until 30 days. That's it. We stopped the feature updates and quality updates using Windows Registrar. Thank you.